Welcome students. Today we are going to explore something very exciting, algebra play. Yes, you heard it right. Algebra is not just about solving x and y. It is actually like magic. It helps us understand tricks, puzzles and patterns in a very logical way. So let's begin our journey where maths turns into magic. First, what is algebra play? Algebra is a powerful tool that helps us explain why tricks always work. Instead of guessing, we use variables like x to prove things for all numbers. Now, let's start with a very famous trick. Think of any number, let's call it x. Double it becomes 2x. Add 4, now it is 2x plus 4. Divide by 2, now it becomes x plus 2. Now subtract your original number. X plus 2 minus x gives you 2. No matter what number you start with, the answer is always 2. Try it with 7, try it with 100, the answer is always 2. But why does this happen? Because the x cancels out at the end, leaving only 2. This is the real magic of algebra. It explains why the trick works every time. You can even change the trick, triple the number, add 9, divide by 3, subtract original, and you will always get 3. Now let's move to something visual. Number pyramids. In a number pyramid, each number is the sum of the two numbers below it. For example, if the bottom row has numbers A, B, and C, the next row becomes A plus B and B plus C, and the top becomes A plus 2B plus C. Did you notice something? The middle number B is counted twice. If the pyramid has 4 rows, the pattern becomes even more interesting. The top becomes a plus 3B plus 3C plus D. So instead of building the entire pyramid, algebra helps us directly find the top value. Now let's do something fun. Calendar magic. Look at a calendar and pick any 2 times 2 box. For example, 6, 7, 13, 14. Add them, the sum is 40. Now here's the magic. From just the sum, we can find all the numbers. Let the top left number be A. Then the 4 numbers are A plus 1, A plus 7, and A plus 8. When we add them, we get 4A plus 16. So if the sum is given, we can find A using the formula A equals sum 16 by 4. So if the sum is 36, then A equals 5. And the numbers are 5, 6, 12, and 13. Amazing, right? Now let's explore divisibility magic. Take a two-digit number like 73. Reverse it to get 37. Now subtract 73, 37 equals 36, which is divisible by 9. This always happens. Why? Because any number can be written as 10A plus B. Its reverse is 10B plus A. Subtracting gives 9B, which is always divisible by 9. Similarly, if you add the number and its reverse, you get 11A plus B, which is always divisible by 11. Now here's another magical pattern. Take a number like 143, 143. This can be written as ABC, which is actually ABC times 10, 1. And 10, 1 is equal to 7 times 11 times 13. So when you divide by 7, 11, and 13, you get back the original number. It's like a magic trick where the number disappears and then comes back again. Now let's solve a puzzle. The largest product puzzle. You are given 3 digits, 2, 3 and 5. You have to arrange them as a 2-digit number multiplied by a single digit to get the largest product. Try all combinations. 23 times 5 equals 115. 25 times 3 equals 75. 32 times 5 equals 160, and so on. The largest is 160. So what is the trick? Uh, Always take the largest digit as the multiplier and arrange the other two digits in descending order. Now let's move to word problems using equations. First example, horses and hens. There are 55 heads and 150 legs. Let horses be H and hens be N. We know H plus N equals 55, 4, H plus 2N equals 150. Solving these equations, we get H equals 20 and N equals 35. Next, mother and daughter problem. Mother is 5 times the daughter's age. Let daughter be D, so mother is 5D. After 3 years, 5D plus 3 equals 4D plus 3. Solving gives D equals 9. So daughter is 9 years old and mother is 45 years old. Now comes a very interesting puzzle. Karim and the genie. Karim meets a genie who says, walk around the tree, your coins will double. but give me 8 coins each time. After 3 rounds, Karim is left with exactly 8 coins. Let the starting coins be n. After round 1, 2 and 8. After round 2, 4 and 24. After round 3, 8 and 56. Now this equals 8. So 8 and 56 equals 8, 8 and equals 64 and equals 8. So Karim started with 8 coins. But here's the deeper idea. If the genie's fee is too high, Karim will lose everything. Algebra helps us understand the trick behind the trick. So what did we learn today? Algebra helps us prove number tricks. It helps us solve pyramids easily. It explains calendar patterns. It reveals divisibility secrets. It helps us find the best arrangement in puzzles. And it helps us solve real life problems using equations. Remember, algebra is not just about solving equations. It is about understanding the hidden logic behind everything. So next time you see a magic trick, don't just enjoy it. Try to prove it using algebra because real magic is mathematics.